Dear participants, my name is Penka Doneva. I am an expert in the Department of Investments and European Programs from Bulgaria. The purpose of my speech explores biodiversity, ecosystem and future challenges. How can digitalization contribute to preserve biodiversity for the sake of the future? When we speak about the future, we have to say a few words about the Sustainable Development Goals adopted by the United Nations. United Nations create 17 goals which are very important so to save the biodiversity in the world. One of them, and we will learn a little bit about most important of them. One of them is clean. We speak about the clean water and sanitation. Clean water even now already begin to be a problem for some regions, and I expect that probably in the near future this problem will be bigger and bigger because clean water getting less and less, and we will see later there have another factors which also help about this problem. We also have to say that it's very important to have clean energy. That's why we have to investing in solar, wind and thermal power, improving energy productivity and ensuring energy for all. So also we have to work about climate action because in global warming in the last years is very important, and our climate system changing very fast in the last years. So we have to work about it, and we have to try to stop climate changing, so to save the planet. Also, life below water. A lot of we have a lot of different kind of life under the water, and about 30% of the carbon dioxide produced by humans are absorbed from oceans. So we have to work this percent to stay the same. Also, we have a big problem with the fires in the forest. That's why we have to protect and restore the forest ecosystems, and we have to work about it already, because we expect that it will getting worse and worse in the near future. For example, in the last few years, we have a lot of big fires like Siberian wildfires, which like in these fires, like area around 8.2 million acres was consumed by the blazes, in 2019. So we and also we don't have only this region like this in this situation, but we have a lot of regions also in Brazil and so on with very big fires every year. And like here you can see how many big fires we have, like a percent in the different years for the last 20 years. And also well, here you can see again a lot of wildfires in Siberia. mm, yeah so when we speak about the forest, we have to know that forests contribute to the balance of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and humidity in the air. So forests protect watersheds, which supply 75% of fresh water worldwide. So we have to keep the forest. We have to keep the forest because in the near future, if we don't have a forest, what will happen with the oxygen in our planet? So yeah, and here also we can see some temperature anomaly, uh, abnormal like in Arctic area, uh, which are also problem. And climate action, like different climate problems. So we also have to work about it. And have and let's see some plan to restore biodiversity. Like we have to protect the land, and we have to be better farmers. To have better farmers, we have to make space for nature in the cities. We have to protect the oceans and water, and we have to reduce impacts of climate change. And we need from food and healthy life. So what can help about it? Well, we have Green Deal, a sustainable, climate neutral, resilient, and competitive Europe, and restoring and improving our ecosystems and biodiversity with the help of the digitalization. Because digitalization is um, very important. So to restart all these sectors, because like you can see here, digitalization is very important for the development of future food. Digitalization can help not only to biodiversity, so to protect the land from fires, but also digitalization can find different disease very quickly. Digitalization can help for food waste and loss, and and digitalization help for resource availability. So yeah, why we need from a global digital ecosystem, because a digital ecosystem for the planet can only exist if it is based upon a range of contributors and collaboration between different private sector actors, civil society, and national governments. Yeah, here we can see again the targets of the digital ecosystem, and how it will look one digital ecosystem for the planet. So when we speak about the technologies and the digital ecosystem for our planet, we have to say that we have we will have definitely after in the end of 2100 we will have a lot of satellites, drones, and different sensors everywhere in our planet. We will have cloud, artificial intelligence, and machine learning everywhere. We will have Internet of Things and platforms and social medias, blockchain and distributed databases, open source software and commercial software, and of course mobile phone applications. And actually the ecosystem can be fact thanks to platform and value partners. And also we have to know that for the digital future in the world is creating now, because in the last 2 years, including 2023, we have a lot of satellites which were sending in the out of our planet. They will help. They will analyze, and they will see all the information which and things which happened in our planet. So, for example, if in every region, for example, if somewhere began the fire, they will see it, and they will stop it on the time, so do not have so many problems. A digital ecosystem for the planet, it's very, very important, as you see. And except the digital platform, we will have a lot of data and sensors and machine learning. So a lot of sensors in the world will fix and will control the data, the different sensors, and everything will be controlled from computers. So in the end, we will have one very, very good biodiversity, which will be perfectly controlled by the artificial intelligence and digitalization, which will be like something quite normal for our life. Thank you for your attention.